Hello everybody, it's Quentin from Exordia Creative, and today we're talking about the Instagram algorithm. But really quick, before we get into that, you need to know that this post is actually a giveaway. So read the caption, enter the giveaway, and good luck. The first thing that you need to know about the Instagram algorithm is that it prioritizes content based off of what the user is into, what their interests are. So the more relevant the content is to you, the higher you'll see it in your Instagram feed. So a great idea might be to ask and put out a poll, or maybe make a quick video and ask your followers why they follow your page. Why are they following your business? What makes them want to come and watch your videos? Why do they like your photos? Ask them. You'd be surprised by how many people actually give you that information. The second thing that you should know about the Instagram algorithm is that when you put out a post, Instagram is only showing that post to a select percentage of your followers. And now that we've explained that portion, you've probably realized that when you're scrolling through your Instagram, you're only seeing posts from a select amount of people. And that's why, because Instagram is only showing a select amount and they're only showing you content that you really want to see. And they base what you want to see off of what you engage with. The takeaway from this video is take the time to use this platform for what it's designed for, and that's to be social. Make sure that you're interacting with the pages that you're following or the people that are following you. Make sure you're commenting, liking, and things like that, and you'll see more of those people's content and they'll see more of your stuff. So it's a give and take. And when you're putting out content, ask yourself why people are following your business. Are they following you because you're educational? Are they following you because you're entertaining? Are they following you because you have sweet pictures of cakes? Whatever it is, try and custom tailor that content to your followers. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't entered the giveaway yet, please go do so. And if you haven't followed us on Facebook, you haven't followed us on Instagram, and we're on TikTok. If you haven't followed us on TikTok, get over there and follow us. And until next time, guys, we'll see you then. Peace.